Do you ever feel like looking for a job is a full-time job in itself? Well, that's because it is. There's the resume, the LinkedIn profile, the outreach messages, the interviews, the ghosting, and maybe worst of all, the waiting. It's a lot. But imagine having a set of tools that gave you an unfair advantage. Well, there are some underrated tools out there, things no one really talks about that can make your job search 10 times easier. Not more stressful, not more complicated, just smarter. And in this video, I'm walking you through 5 rarely used but super helpful tools, plus one bonus that most job seekers don't think about. So let's dive in. Now, tool number 1 is Calendly. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wait, isn't that just for sales calls or online business owners? Well, yes and no, but here's the thing. Recruiters are busy. I know this firsthand. I used to be one. They're juggling dozens of roles, hundreds of candidates, and more meetings than they can count. Now, when you meet their requirements, they often want to get you on a call ASAP. But hey, we all have lives, and that's not always possible. Plus, if you get a call from an unknown number, do you always answer? No, I didn't think so. And if you miss a call about an urgent requirement on a recruiter's desk, they might pick up the phone to the next person who ends up bagging your slot on the initial shortlist. So while I won't encourage you to start answering the phone every time you get unsolicited calls, I will encourage you to make it ridiculously easy to book a call with you. So set up a free Calendly account. It takes 5 minutes, and include the link in your email signature or messages. That way, when a recruiter says, hey, are you free for a quick chat this week, you don't have to play email tennis. They just click, pick a time, done. And this doesn't just work with recruiters. One of my clients, Alex, messaged a hiring manager directly on LinkedIn. They replied, sure, happy to chat, send me your availability. He dropped his Calendly link, they booked for the next day, that call turned into an interview, and that interview turned into a job offer. And that's the power of being easy to work with. So we've made it easier for recruiters and hiring managers to book a time with you. But let's talk about what happens next when they email you back. Now, when you're sending applications, when you're following up, tool number 2 makes that whole process a lot less chaotic. And I'm talking about a dedicated job search email. And yes, I really do mean setting up a whole new email address just for your job search. Why? Well, firstly, when everything is coming into your main inbox, updates for job boards, responses from recruiters, networking, follow-ups, it's easy for things to get lost. So create an email account just for your job search, and you've got a single command center. That way, there will be no more accidentally ghosting a recruiter because Gmail buried your message. And secondly, branding. If you've been following me for any amount of time, you'll know I'm big on branding. From amending your LinkedIn URL or giving your resume a strategic file name to creating content and attracting opportunities. Personal branding in your job search is huge. So choose a professional relevant handle. So something like productleadsam@gmail.com, Maria Finance Exec at gmail.com, Mike the Marketer at Gmail. So you get the idea, right? Now, I know it's such a small thing, but all of these small things compound. But what about finding the right roles in the first place without scrolling endlessly on job boards? Well, tool number 3 can act like your personal recruiter. And tool number 3 is Google. Well, Google Alerts. Now, I'm sure you may already have alerts set up on LinkedIn, but this one's really good. For years, most of us have used Google for everything, but most people don't use it to track jobs proactively. So here's how you can do it. So once you're clear on the roles you're targeting, write them down and start running searches. For example, if you work in the user experience field, search for roles like UX designer, remote or project manager, Amazon London careers. Try different combinations, now hiring, open roles, 2025 jobs, and add your location and or industry. And if you need a crash course in using Boolean search, you should go check out this video where you can learn about the various Boolean search commands and what they each do. But for now, the magic is simply in setting up a Google alert for those terms. Now, every time something new pops up online with that phrase, you'll get an email notification. It's like having a recruiter working for you 24/7. Except you'll never get ghosted and don't have to listen to them telling you that every single job is exciting or fast-paced and fun. Now, I had a client named Joe, and he wanted to work at Spotify but couldn't find an open role that fit. So not only did he follow my advice to log his interest via LinkedIn, we set up a Google alert for Spotify plus data analyst job, and one came through 2 weeks weeks later before it even hit LinkedIn. He applied the same day and got an interview, and that's the kind of timing you can't always get from job boards. Now let's zoom out for a second. You've started to find the right roles and you've got alerts coming in, and this is where tool number 4 comes into play. So tool number 4 is your email signature, and if you've never thought about this before, that's okay. Most job seekers leave it blank or just sent from my iPhone. But you can do better. Your signature block is like a mini personal billboard. So here's what you could include. So your target job title and years of experience. So for example, product manager with 10 years experience. A simple tagline. So following this example, it could be something like, I build customer first SaaS products, or simplifying complex systems with smart design, or creating curriculum that drives K-12 impact. You could then add a link to your LinkedIn profile, and bonus points if you add a link to your Calendly. Now, one client, Bianca, had a beautifully branded signature that included all of these, her Calendly, and a short line that said, helping brands turn ideas into experiences. A hiring manager told her they clicked on her LinkedIn, which was incredible, and then jumped on her calendar to invite her in for interview before even opening her resume. So yes, I say it all the time, but branding helps, as does being easy to deal with. And what's best with this is that every email you send now carries a little bit of your brand with it. But hey, what about when you're in person? You meet someone at a networking event or careers fair and they say, are you on LinkedIn? Now, tool number 5 takes care of that without you needing to print any kind of business card. So tool number 5 is your LinkedIn QR code. Now, this one's fast, free, and surprisingly effective, and here's how to find it. Open LinkedIn on the mobile app and tap the search bar. Now, in the top right-hand corner, you'll see a little QR icon. Tap that and boom, your personalized QR code appears. Now, save that image to your phone, and if you're attending a career fair or conference or any kind, you may even want to have it as your locked screen. Now, when you're at an event and someone asks for your LinkedIn, you can just say, here, scan this. It feels modern, confident, and effortless. So you're discoverable, memorable, and way easier to connect with now. But here's the final piece. Behind the scenes, you need a way to run your job search like a pro. No more flying by the seat of your pants. And that's where my bonus tool number 6 comes in. So tool number 6, a Notion board or Google Sheet to track your job search. Seriously, don't try to keep it all in your head. Set up a simple table with company name, role title, application date, contact person, stage applied, follow-up status, notes about salary and how the interview went. Now, clients working with me get access to my version of this and a whole lot more. But if you'd like access, you can grab yours for free in the description below. All right, so let's do a quick recap. So Calendly makes scheduling easy. Job search emails, stay organized and on brand. And Google Alerts, find the good stuff first. An email signature block to turn every email into a mini pitch. A LinkedIn QR code to connect with ease at events. And Job Tracker to keep the process tight and stress-free. Now remember, these tools won't write your resume or do the interview for you, but they'll help you move faster and they'll take the friction out of a process that's already hard enough. Now, if this helped, let me know in the comments and tell me, are there any other job search tools that you love that others don't always talk about? I'll see you in the next one.